Then next one, power factor of the supply. This is called power factor of the supply. C question. Power factor of the supply. Supply. Okay, so you know power factor is equal to, I'm already explained now. Power factor, power is equal to VI cos pi. Am I right? Then cos pi is equal to, so power divided by V into I. Actually, this is active power divided by apparent power. KW by KVA. Okay, understood. Otherwise, watts per VA. So that is equal to VA into IA to IA divided by VA into IA divided by VRMS into ISRMS. Okay, here IA is known. Armature current that is called 35, you known, and VA is also known. So 101.5. Okay, and RMS value, you know, VM by root 2. This is also known. And the unknown thing is ISRMS, RMS value of the source current. No? This is unknown. Am I right or not? RMS value of source current is unknown. So by using this waveform, find ISRMS. How to find ISRMS here? RMS value of the source current. ISRMS, RMS value of the source current. Scale is equal to, for a scale IS scale into IS scale into. So what is the range here? What is the distance here? Pi minus 0, that is called pi. Am I right? Similarly, so here minus IA. Na? So minus IA square into 2 pi minus pi for a time period of 2 pi. So in this way, you have to find this RMS value of the supply. So IA square into pi. This is also IA square into pi divided by 2 pi. So we'll get only IA square. Okay, ISMR RMS value of source current is equal to, so RMS value of source current is equal to only IA. So that is equal to 35 amps only. Substitute here. VA is equal to how much here? VA is equal to how much? 35.101.5. No? So substitute here 101.5. IA armature current 35. And VRMS, VSRMS 230 into RMS value. So 230 into this called RMS value, 230 into 35. So then you will get 0.441. So 0.441, this is called power factor, cos pi. Understood? So this way we will find the problems based on the relations. Understood? So this is about the second problem, and then go for it's clear. Everyone is understood. Problem. Second problem was. And then go for third problem. Third problem. A single phase semiconductor. A single phase semiconductor. Use it to control the speed of a separately excited DC motor. Same as previous. A single phase semiconductor is used to control the speed of a separately excited DC motor. It rated at 4.5 kilovolts, 220 volts, 1500 RPM. The converter is connected to a single phase 220 volts 50 edges. The armature resistance RA is equal to 0.5. Armature circuit inductance is LA is equal to 10 millihenry. The motor voltage constant K into pi is equal to 0.1 volts per RPM. With the converter operates a rectifier. The DC motor runs at 1200 RPM and this carries the armature current is 16 amps. Assume that motor current is continuous and ripple free. Find firing angle alpha and the power delivered to the motor and the supply power factor. Okay. There is no use of armature inductance. Okay, under steady state condition, this problem is similar to the previous problem only. Okay. So only difference is only RMS value of the supply current. Supply current. Okay. So single phase semi-converter. So this is called motor rating of the motors 4.5 kilowatts and 220 volts 1500 RPM. And converter is connected to the 220 volts and 50 Hz. You know well. And RA 0.5. LA is equal to 10 millihenry and back EMF constant K into pi is equal to 0.1 volts per RPM. And the converter operates as a rectifier. For DC motor runs at 1200 RPM and 16 amps. Before 35 amps, here 16 amps. And assume the motor is continuous ripple free and determine firing angle. Okay. So here previous single phase full converter, but here single phase semi converter. Only difference is convert drive is different. Converter drive. So that is color. Here full converter and here single phase semi converter. Okay. So firing angle, how to find firing angle? Vm by pi into 1 plus cos alpha. Am I right? VA is equal to Vm by pi into 1 plus cos alpha. That VA is unknown. How to find VA? So VA is equal to, you know well, so what is the relation between EA and RA? VA is equal to EA plus IA into RA. Na? Okay. Here, single phase semi converter. All of you do this problem. Single phase semi converter. So single phase semi converter. So what is the output voltage? VA is equal to Vm by pi into 1 plus cos alpha. So Vm by pi into 1 plus cos alpha. Okay. So first problem is the firing angle. Firing angle first form. From this relation, so we'll get alpha. Right? From this equation, you will get alpha. So unknown is here. This is known. This is called only unknown. This is we don't know. So how to find VA? VA is equal to EA plus IA into EA plus IA into RN. Am I right? Okay. So here again unknown is EA. So how to find EA? EA is equal to K into pi into N. Am I right? Okay. By using this air speed known, K into pi is also known. Okay. Is given how much is given? K into pi 0.1. How much here? K into pi is equal to 0.1 volts per RPM. Okay. Substitute and also speed is given also 1200 RPM. Substitute here. Substitute K into pi, that is called 0.1 into 0.1 into speed how much? 1200 RPM. So you will get 120. Okay. EA is equal to 120 volts. After that, find VA. VA is equal to EA is nothing but 120 plus IA. How much IA? Armature current given 16. 16 IA into RA. How much RA here? RA. Armature resistance RA is equal to 0.5. Armature resistance here is given now 0.5. RA is equal to 0.5. Okay. Then you will get VA is equal to 128 volts. I got this much. So verify is it right or not. So then substitute here, your VA is known. So VM is also 230 into root 220 or 230. How much here? So 220 volts is given. So 220 into, so VA is equal to, from this relation, so 128 is equal to 220 into root 2 divided by pi into 1 plus cos alpha. So here only one factor is unknown, that is called alpha. So find alpha by using this expression. We will get 73 approximately 73 degrees. I got like this. Okay, this is called first problem, and the second problem, power delivered by the same motor. Na? So VA into IA. So VA is equal to how much? 128. Merit 128 into IA is equal to 16. So that is equal to 2048. I got like this. Okay. From this second problem, power delivered to the motor. Power delivered to the motor. Power delivered to the motor is nothing but, so 2048. Sorry. Watts. Okay. Watts. 2048. And then this is very important. Okay. So find the RMS value of this source. RMS value of the source current. IS RMS. So to find this IS RMS is very important. So this already, so by using substituting the formulas, we will get loss. By using waveform, find the source value, so RMS value of the source current. So this is the given RMS value of the source current here, given like this. This is called IS, and here IA is equal to 16 amps, and here the range alpha pi, and pi alpha plus pi to, so 2 pi. It's given like this. Question is also in question only. So 0. So how to find RMS value of the source current? IS square into RMS is equal to IS square into, so what is the distance here? What is the time period year to year? Pi minus alpha, am I right? So pi minus alpha plus here, what is the current here? Minus IA, minus IA square into, what is the time period here? 2 pi minus alpha plus pi. What is the total time period? 2 pi. Okay, and then IA square into pi minus alpha. Similarly here also IA square into pi minus alpha, am I right? 2 pi minus, okay, 2 pi minus am I right? This is the correct, I think. 2 pi minus alpha minus, am I right? So 2 pi minus pi is called pi minus alpha. Here, what is the distance? This 2 pi minus alpha plus pi. It's called this is here, and then by 2 pi. Okay, so you will get S square into pi minus alpha divided by pi, right? Then IS RMS is equal to, RMS value of the source current is equal to IA into pi minus alpha divided by pi whole to the power of 1 by 2. By using this expression, so we'll get IS RMS. Okay, RMS value of the source current. Substitute here IA 16 amps and alpha also. Alpha is 73 degrees. Convert into radians. IA is equal 16 is given 16 amps. Okay, and pi minus alpha. Pi minus alpha is how much alpha here? 73 degrees. In first question, so we got like this 73. Convert into radians. Okay, pi minus alpha is 73 into pi by 180. Right. Pi minus alpha divided by pi whole to the power of 1 by 2. So how much here? 12.33. I got like this. RMS value of the source current. IS RMS. So why means it is required to calculate the power factor. Okay, power factor formula cos pi is equal to, you know, well, or power factor is cos pi is equal to, so VA into IA divided by VRMS into IS RMS. Am I right? So VA armature voltage how much here? 220 into 12.33. 128 into VA armature voltage 128. IA is how much? 16 divided by VRMS. How much VRMS is equal to 220 into 220, 220 VRMS. And IS RMS, how much IS RMS? 12.33. So then you will get power factor, so 0.75. So I got like this 0.57. Is it clear? So main thing is find the equation. So in exam maybe it's different. These range is alpha 2 pi instead of alpha 2 pi is given alpha to 2 pi and so like alpha 2 pi by 2. Okay, for that cases so we'll find this RMS value of the source current by using like this same way. Okay, so IA square into this region. Okay, pi minus alpha. Similarly, IA square into minus IA square into, so this region 2 pi minus alpha minus pi, alpha plus pi. So we'll get like this RMS value of the source current. For square waveform, you will get I square into T. Okay, so I square into T. So if it is a square waveform, I square into time period, I square into time. Okay, I square is equal to IS RMS value of current square is equal to I square into T. If it is a triangular, 1 by 3rd of I square into T. Okay, remember, we will get 1 by 3rd if it is triangular. Okay, if it is square wave, like this, I square into T. Okay, this is the so one problem. And all of you understood, I think. The remaining problem, 4th one and the 5th one. All of you take this 4th one.